Almost home from the cabin. Totoro and I are just hanging out in the bar. All the parentals go get food for dinner. Hi. They went inside to get some meat, huh? And some corn. Oh, I can't see you. Maybe if I put it right up against. Hi. Hey, stop moving. I'm trying to focus on you. Hi. Hey, let me out. Hey, I want to come out there and hang out with you. What you doing? Hmm? What are you doing? Hey, don't chew on that. I'm gonna close this again. She's a lot calmer when she can't see. Oh, I got her over here and her carrier belted in. Oh, and little Morty, the silver-crested cockatoo, hanging out on top of her carrier. Hi, Morty. Just tuning and waiting. She does best when I close all the flaps so that she can't see anything. She still squawks every once in a while when we go over a bump or something and she wants to know what's going on. Otherwise, she's pretty quiet and comfortable in there. And got her belted in, safe and sound. Hi, Totoro. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Hi. Hi. Almost home, huh? Are we almost home? Yeah. That's exciting, huh? Yeah, we're gonna be home. Right.